Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Simple Tricks and Hacks. Friends, in today's video I'm showing you how to get rid of the darkness under the arms. Friends, try this just for 1 week. You'll definitely see better results. Friends, before going to start this video, I want to say a big thanks to each and every individual of the subscriber in this channel, because without you guys support and without you guys encouragement, we can't achieve this much of response and this much of viewership in this channel. And recently we have crossed 5 lakh subscribers. That means 500,000 of subscribers in this channel. That means a very big achievement for us. That means we are very much indebted to each and every subscriber in this channel. Friends, thank you so much for all the subscribers, and the people who are not yet subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. You'll get very simple beauty tips on daily basis which you can make in your home easily. Okay, friends, thank you so much, and let's start this video. For this, all we need to have one potato, basin powder and rose water. Okay friends, first we need to take some paste from this potato. You have to peel off all the skin from this potato and you have to take the paste from this potato. Friends, this is the paste what you get after mixing that potato. First you need to peel it off the skin of the potato and you have to make some paste. This is the paste. Just take some bowl, take 2 spoons of potato paste, and in this add 1.5 tablespoon of basin powder. In this add 1 spoon of rose water. Now just mix this very well. And you'll get the kind of paste like this. And friends, just you need to apply this on your underarms and you have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then you have to wash it off. Just try this for 1 week only. You'll definitely see better and best results for sure. Friends, myself recording this video, so I'm unable to show this on my underarms, but I'm showing this on my hand. But you guys need to apply this on your underarms just like this. I'll show you. Have to apply like this in your underarms in the upward direction, and you have to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, friends. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and comment for this video, friends. Thank you.